This is Eli. He's a happy and healthy little boy, but that wasn't always the case. He once tested positive for drugs.
When I got him at 4 months, he reeked of some sort of substance. It literally took a week to get this horrible smell out of his hair, out of his saliva, out of his feces, out of his urine.
Eli is just one of the thousands of children who eventually found refuge in a stranger's home after his birth parents struggled with addiction. As the opioid crisis shows no signs of slowing down anytime soon, medical professionals are beginning to notice the wide-ranging effects of the epidemic. According to the Department of Health and Human Services, new foster care cases involving drug-addicted parents have hit the highest point in more than 3 decades of record-keeping. In 2016, about 92,000 children entered the foster care system.
I came to Indiana and I was floored at what I saw here.
That's Dr. Tara Benjamin of Riley's Children's Health. As a maternal fetal medicine specialist, she cares for women with high-risk pregnancies.
When I walked into the labor and delivery unit, there's always a whiteboard, but they had a list of patients with the title "Do Not Prescribe," and it meant if these women call, they're probably seeking, so don't prescribe for them. I had never heard of that in life. To me, that was an indicator of how bad this epidemic was here.
In Indiana alone, drug-related cases shot up more than 6-fold between 2000 and 2015. And while child welfare officials say substance abuse has always been a problem, it's never been seen at this scale since the use of cocaine surged in the 1980s. Shawnee Wilson is one of those mothers fighting to get her 4th son, Kingston, back from foster care. She gave birth to Kingston last year after exposing him to heroin, and it took doctors about a month to wean him off the drugs. For Shawnee, Kingston represents a glimpse of hope during her dark days of recovery.
It was harder at first, as I was still struggling more with addiction, but now it's making me stronger for when he comes home.